Can you introduce yourself?
Okay. I am Maria Glacela Salva Bantolo, 24 years old, came from Calao, Dumangas, Iloilo City, Philippines. I have two kids. The eldest one is 6 years old and the youngest one is 4 years old. We live in partner. Senior high school graduate with major in humanities and social sciences. I am a loyal, kind, respectful, and honest, and very patient kind of person. My parents are separated. My father is a driver, and my mother is a farmer. And we are 6 siblings. I have 5 brothers, and I am one girl. I am only girl, and I have experience of taking care of baby for almost an elderly for almost 3 years, and I have experience of taking care of person with disability for 1 year. And my motto in life is patience is a virtue.
Thank you.
Thank you.